Like and subscribe right now, or this spider will crawl on your face while you're sleeping.
Welcome to Animal Trends, and today we're going to show you something you have never seen before. But first, did you realize that the creatures we see around us only make up 10% of all species that have ever existed on the planet? Some of these species have evolved to survive the different alterations in the Earth's geology and have managed to avoid extinction for millions of years. Here are some examples of prehistoric animals that have survived the test of time and are still alive. Stay tuned to the very end of the video to be astounded. Number 15. Sandhill crane. Sandhill cranes, which could be found in Siberia and parts of North America, are thought to have existed for 10 million years, as evidenced by their structural resemblance to a Miocene epoch fossil dating back 10 million years. The bird's common name relates to habitat along the Platte River on the outskirts of Nebraska's sandhills on the American plains. So, the next time you see one, don't forget to snap a photo with the old beast. Number 14. Frilled shark. This shark species hasn't evolved much in appearance over the last 80 million years, earning it the moniker living fossils. This deep-sea species possesses 300 needle-shaped teeth and is rarely seen. Be cautious of its needle teeth, which can almost pierce through anything. Number 13. Chinese giant salamander. The Chinese giant salamander is the world's largest amphibian, measuring about 6 feet long, or 1.8 meters. It is severely endangered, according to the International Union for Conservation of Nature, the IUCN. According to fossil records, the animal hasn't changed much in the last 170 million years. The Chinese giant salamander is one of the world's largest salamanders, as well as one of the world's largest amphibians. It's a totally aquatic species that's only found in Rocky Mountain streams and lakes in central China's Yangtze River basin. Number 12. Tapir. This rare herbivorous animal belongs to the horse and rhinoceros families. Tapir fossils date back to the early Oligocene period, about 20 million years ago, and they haven't changed much since then. 4 of the 5 species are located in Central and South America, while the 5th is found in Asia. 4 of them are on the endangered or vulnerable species list, and yet, here we are, 20 million years later. Number 11. Horseshoe crab. Horseshoe crabs are the sole living members of the order Xiphosaura and belong to the Limulidae family of marine and brackish water arthropods. Their common name is a misnomer, as they're not really crabs or even crustaceans, as crabs are, but belong to a separate arthropod order. Horseshoe crabs have 9 eyes and 10 legs hidden beneath their hard exoskeleton. The animal is not a crab, but a close relative of spiders and scorpions, and was given that name because of its morphology. They predate dinosaurs and have been swimming in Earth's oceans for 300 million years. Number 10. Crocodyllia. Crocodiles, alligators, caimans, and gharials, among others, are members of this reptile group that emerged some 85 million years ago, when dinosaurs were going out. Crocodilians are genuinely prehistoric, not only because of their look, but also because the order is an offshoot of the Crocodylomorpha. The answer is straightforward, a group that developed about 205 million years ago. Today, we have a more modern and adaptable counterpart of the ancient organism. Number 9. Tadpole shrimp. This shrimp has been alive for at least 220 million years, which means it lived throughout the time when dinosaurs roamed the Earth, making it one of the world's oldest living species. Tadpole shrimps are able to survive thanks to an evolutionary process known as diapause, in which the eggs can remain latent for up to 27 years until the environment is suitable for hatching. Number 8. Tuatara. The tuatara, which is solely found in New Zealand, is one of the world's oldest living reptiles. They resemble lizards, but are not the same. They are the sole remaining members of the Sphenodontia order, which was abundant during the dinosaur era. In the wild, a tuatara's lifespan can be up to 100 years. Number 7. Nautilus. The aquatic species found in the Indian and Pacific Oceans has been thriving for at least 500 million years and is considered a living fossil. They are the only cephalopods with a shell, containing chambers that aid in keeping them afloat and catching prey. The nautilus is a pelagic marine mollusk belonging to the Nautilidae family of cephalopods. The nautilus is the only living member of the Nautilusae superfamily, and its tiny but nearly equal suborder, Nautilina. It consists of 6 live species divided into 2 genera, the most common of which being the Nautilus genus. Number 6. Echidna. An echidna fossil from the Miocene epoch, dating back 17 million years, demonstrates that this little anteater, indigenous to Australia, Tasmania, and New Guinea, has seen little evolutionary change. The echidna, which comes in both short and long-beaked varieties, is one of only 2 animals that lay eggs, the other being the platypus. The fact that there are only 5 monotremes in the world, that consists of 4 echidna species and 1 platypus species, is notable. Number 5. Jellyfish. These invertebrates, known for their electric shocks, have been shocking other animals, fish, and people for 700 million years. Jellyfish fossils are tough to come by because their bodies are 95% water, but studies indicate that they have been around for at least 700 million years. Jellyfish are widespread and can be found in all seas and oceans. Number 4. Turtle. Turtle ancestors lived roughly 220 million years ago in the Triassic epoch, according to research. However, the scientific reptile group from which they descend is still unknown. Turtles, both land and marine, can be found all over the world, although some are endangered. Could it be that they were able to conserve energy and keep their species alive for so long because of their slow movement? Number 3. Solenodon. The poisonous mammal native to the Caribbean region split out from a family of other mammals 76 million years ago during the Cretaceous period, the dinosaurs' final epoch. The Hispaniolan and the Cuban, shown, are the only 2 species of this small, burrowing, nocturnal shrew that exist, both of which are categorized as endangered by the IUCN. Number 2. Komodo dragon. The Komodo dragon, which is only found in Indonesia, is the world's largest and heaviest reptile, reaching about 10 feet in length and weighing around 150 pounds. Though Indonesia was once thought to be their home, the finding of fossilized bones in Queensland in 2009 led experts to conclude that Komodo dragons started 4 million years ago in Australia and then moved westward. Number 1. Sturgeon. The sturgeon resembles a primordial fish and, according to fossil records, has been around for at least 250 million years. The fish, which may reach a length of 7 feet or 2 meters, can be found in European and North American rivers and lakes. They are currently categorized as critically endangered by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. This was all about the 15 ancient creatures that are still alive today. Which one shocked you the most? Let us know in the comment box below. And if you enjoyed the video, then do not forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting animal-related videos.